Want to go from typing "Hello World" to building apps, cracking interviews, and flexing your code like a pro? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to become a coding beast, even if you suck right now. Coding is not for geniuses. It's for consistent learners. If you can scroll TikTok for hours, you can learn to code. 1. Know your why. Your motivation is fuel. You want to be a developer, cool. But why? Is it the money, the freedom to work from anywhere, the dream to build your own app or game? Your why is what keeps you grinding when the code won't run, when tutorials get boring, or when you feel dumb. And, trust me, you will feel dumb sometimes. Everyone does. Tip: write your why on a sticky note and stick it near your workspace. Motivation equals boost. 2. Pick one language and stick with it. Stop hopping from Python to JavaScript to Rust to C++ in 1 week like you're collecting infinity stones. Pick one language, learn it, use it, master it. For beginners, I'd say go with Python or JavaScript. If you're doing C++ or Java for school, that's fine too. Just stick with it for a while. It's not about learning many languages. It's about getting good at using one. Don't just watch, build. You don't become a coder by watching tutorials all day. That's like watching gym videos and expecting six-pack abs. Nope. Start building tiny projects. A calculator, a to-do app, a simple quiz game, a portfolio website. Even if they suck, build them. Challenge yourself to recreate what you learn, then add a little twist. 4. Code every day, or almost every day. Even 15 minutes a day adds up. Coding is like learning an instrument. The more you touch it, the better you get. Instead of watching Netflix for 2 hours, how about 1 hour of coding plus 1 hour of Netflix? Balance. Use the 100 Days of Code challenge to stay consistent. Share your progress online. It keeps you accountable. 5. Get comfortable with failing. Errors are part of the process. Your code will break. You will Google everything, and that's okay. Even pros Google stuff every day. The real flex is learning how to debug and fix your own mess. Instead of rage quitting, pause, breathe, read the error message slowly. It often tells you exactly what's wrong. 6. Join a coding community. You don't have to do this alone. Join Discord servers, Reddit groups, Twitter text spaces, or even YouTube comment sections. Ask questions, share what you've learned, find coding buddies. 7. Learn DSA, data structures and algorithms. Not from day one, but once you're comfy with basic coding, learn how to solve problems with data structures like arrays, stacks, queues, etc. This is crucial for interviews and advanced projects. Sites like LeetCode, HackerRank, and Codeforces are great for this. Don't just memorize solutions. Understand how they work. Recode them without looking. 8. Master your tools. Real coders don't just write code. They know how to use the tools like ninjas. Learn VS Code shortcuts. Use Git for version control. Try GitHub Copilot, free for students. Use ChatGPT as a coding buddy too. Efficiency makes learning fun and fast. 9. Make a roadmap and set goals. Set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Examples. Finish a Python course in 2 weeks. Build a portfolio site this month. Solve 30 LeetCode questions in 30 days. Your growth gets real when you track it. 10. Learn how to learn. You won't remember everything, that's fine. But if you know how to Google smartly, read docs, and debug well, you're winning. Build your own mini knowledge base. Notion, Google Docs, Obsidian, or even a private blog to document what you learn. Bonus. Start sharing what you learn. Teaching is the best way to learn. Post your journey on X or TikTok or YouTube. Doesn't have to be perfect. Make mini tutorials. Share what you built. Talk about bugs you fixed. You build your portfolio in confidence at the same time. Remember, becoming a coding beast doesn't happen overnight. But if you're consistent, curious, and courageous enough to keep going, you'll get there. And hey, if you don't know where to start or you want a daily push, I've got something for you. I'm doing a 100 Days of Coding challenge, and I've created a full YouTube playlist for it. You can follow along day by day. No stress, just progress. The link's in the description. Check it out. Whether you're just starting or leveling up. So here's the deal. If you're ready to commit to coding, even for 15 minutes a day, hit that like button. If you want more fun, beginner-friendly tech content, subscribe right now. Let's go from "what the heck is this error" to "I built that." together. Peace out, future coder.